Hello, my friend. When you get stiff in the morning, is it sadly in your wrist? Does the pain feel like hell? If you are suffering from osteoarthritis in your wrist, you are not alone. Our friend Awakened Warrior has asked for a natural method for this. Imagine how much better you are going to feel without the pain. Let's get started. Before we start, you need to breathe into your nose and breathe out to your mouth. Normally during the exercise. Place both wrists together and massage it up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold in fixed position and bring the wrist outward. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure you stretch to the tension point.
3, 4, 5. Inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please follow my pace.
2, 3, 4, 5. In a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3, 4.
As you rotate, please make a large circular motion.
4, 5. Hit both wrists together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And shake your hands forward and backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Both fingers together and turn your hand in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Make sure you stretch your arms all the way out.
2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch forward and hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Both hands in this position and bend your left hand down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake your hands in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.